Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be the third and possibly the final installment of my little mini series that I've been filming where I try on wedding dresses because I'm not even engaged. So trying on wedding dresses is kind of ridiculous, but I wanted to film one final one. So I tried on wedding dresses from Wish, I tried on wedding dresses from eBay, it's Amazon's turn. I picked up some wedding dresses, they're all under £20, so super inexpensive, and we're gonna try them on. However, I did find a wedding play suit on Wish that I desperately wanted to try on. Then I also have an extra dress that was meant to go into the eBay haul, but I didn't have time to film. So there's like 6 dresses, mainly Amazon, but this is like an Amazon Wish eBay haul, so yeah. First wedding dress. This one says on it, kids form. I hope it's not a kid's wedding dress. No, it says women's 10 to 12. Kids form. Why would you call a wedding dress company kids form? Unless, of course, you get married and then you form a kid. You're forming a kid form, you know? No? Okay. Feels like decent quality. This is obviously like a mini little belt. And then let me lower the exposure so you can see. So this is a wedding dress number 1, and it is similar to ones that I've tried on before where it just reminds me of a like summer party dress or a barbecue dress or a, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice little black mark on this right around the bum region. So that's lovely. I'd call it maybe like a midi dress. It's pretty lightweight. It is nice and soft. I'm not too sure how sheer it's gonna be. Pretty sheer. It is sleeveless, and then it comes with a little lace bow to go around your waist, I'd assume. Oh no. The zipper stuck. Oh no. I need help. Oh, we've got movement. We're in. Okay, this is wedding dress number 1. What are we thinking? Okay, it's not bad. Let's see if we can put this little belt round. How do I want it? I'm thinking it would go like here. It's very hard to do a bow behind one's back. Okay, so this, oh, dizzy. So this is the first wedding dress. I have to say, I like it a lot more than I expected to. A lot more, because I don't normally like midi length dresses. So I was expecting not to like it full stop. It's midi length. I don't think that suits me as much. And then the waistband is actually pretty high. And as I said to you guys before, my waist sits around here, and this is kind of a rib cage kind of ordeal, which just I don't think suits me. However, I don't hate this dress. I like it a heck of a lot more than I thought I would. I definitely think if you're having a really simple wedding, a relaxed wedding, or if this is just your style, I think you could get away with this as a wedding dress. It doesn't scream wedding dress. It's not poofy, it's not full length, there's no train. It doesn't scream wedding dress, but I do think it's very cute. Maybe I'll keep this one. Maybe I'll wear it someplace. I have nowhere to wear it, but maybe, just maybe. Okay, moving on to wedding dress number 2. This is also from Amazon, and it says on it, I feel good. Like Eiffel Tower, but it's just like the same kind of letters muddled up. I honestly don't know how you say that word, but that's where it's from. It's a little wedding dress. It is a size 12. It doesn't feel scratchy or harsh, but it doesn't feel like the best material, but it doesn't feel like poor material. It's like right in the middle there. It's like medium material. Little booby cups here. We've got little straps. This looks like it might be slightly big for me. And then it is a pretty long dress. So a lot of the wedding dresses that I've tried on have been adjustable, either with a corset or like this one, it's got a little bit of stretch to it and it's got a little belt as well. This one just has a zip, so I'm a little worried it's going to be too big for me and won't give me any structure. It also isn't my style of wedding dress. I wouldn't pick this myself, but in these videos I want to give like an overview of all wedding dresses and what you can get for your money. So I'm going to try it on. I don't think I'm going to like it, but we'll try it on. We'll see what it looks like. Let's step into this one. Dun, 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 dun. This would be great. You know those people who hold up the little curtain and they shimmy and then they've got a new outfit on? This feels like one of those. Look, whoa! And then I'd wear a new outfit, but I'm not, so oh well. This is so ridiculous. I should have just gone into the other room and got changed. Postman's here. Why me? Very much appreciate your delivery, ASOS, but I had a minor panic attack given I was wearing 2 wedding dresses when I opened the door. It's like getting changed on the beach. And then, ta-da! New outfit. This is the dress on, and as you can see, it is too big for me. It's just being held up by these. It's very, very, very loose on me. I range from a size 8 to a size 12, depending on the clothes store I go to, the style of clothing, whether it's tops or bottoms, dresses, play suits, or just, you know, the day of the week. I change sizes. So I went with a 12 in this because I looked at the measurements of the dress and I suit the 12 the best. But obviously I was wrong because this is just too big for me. I've pulled it behind my back, and this is kind of what it should look like if it fit properly, if it was tighter around this region and then sort of puffed and flowed out around here. And as I suspected, I don't like it on me. I do think it's a very nice dress though. It could do with a little iron. I don't know if you can see all of the creases in it. It could definitely do with a little iron, maybe a little tailoring around the back, but other than that, it was under £20, so I don't really feel like you can complain. If someone wore this to their wedding, I wouldn't stop them and go, excuse me, is that from Amazon under £20? I'd just be like, your wedding dress looks beautiful. Go you. It's just a little bit too big for me, that's all. The next dress comes in a beautiful little, what looks like aluminium foil, but is actually nice and soft, little packaging, and it's from Bright Deer. Never heard of them, no idea. Okay, it's off the shoulder. Not necessarily my style again, but I wanted to show you guys what's available. So I got this one. Would you say it's kind of a skater dress? Maybe, and it's kind of midi length. There's not too much to say about it. Okay, it's not too bad. It fits me pretty well actually. And then we'll take these off. It's a really pretty dress. I really, really like it as a dress. I don't love it on my body, but I really like the dress as a dress. So it is slightly asymmetrical. I'm not a big fan of that. I'd rather it just came down in the middle, but it's sort of, this side goes longer than this side. It's very, very comfortable. It's sitting nicely. It could be maybe a tiny bit tighter, but I'm not unhappy with the fit. The shoulders are holding up nicely. I could definitely imagine someone wearing this for a beach wedding. It's just really nice and lightweight, and the wind would blow it nicely. I don't know, I do really, really like this dress, just maybe not on me, but for £20 or less, I'm not gonna complain. It is pretty cute. What do we think? What do we think? Next up, we have just a bag with a dress in it. It doesn't have any labels. It just says elegant photo gown, white, large. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, this is the softest one from this haul so far. This is really nice and soft. There is no structure around the boobie section whatsoever, which I would have expected. And the back is just lace, so you're gonna have to go braless or one of those stick-on bras, which I just don't trust. And then it'll cinch in around kind of the rib section, and then again it is, wow, it's really long. Does this have a little back to it? Wait, I think this might have a mini train. I don't know if you can see this, but the front of the dress is slightly shorter than the back, and there is a little bit of a petticoat underneath here somewhere, if I can get to it. Yeah, there's a little bit of a petticoat underneath, and then the lace on top. And this is maybe the softest lace I've felt in these hauls so far. It is very, very nice. There's a lot of excess fabric around my feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, it does have a train, but I'm just standing on it. Wait a minute. And we're ready for the reveal? Dun 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 dun. Dun. Yeah, I hate it. Yep, I hate this dress on me. I do not like this at all. I do not like how that looks. There is a car alarm going off. You're just gonna have to ignore that. I don't really know what to say about it. If it's your style, that's great, but I almost can't comment because I don't like it that much. I'm not feeling this wedding dress. I don't like it. I do not like this style on me, full stop. If this is your style, that's amazing. Everybody has different tastes, but this is just not my thing. However, it is a very nice soft fabric. It is holding up nicely. It does have a nice little bit of elastic holding on around my waist. This top bit is holding up, as are the sleeves. I will say it's a little bit sheer, so I am wearing a nude bra, but you can still kind of see my bra. So maybe this is for people who are confident enough to wear no bra. I am not one of those people. And then it is super long. Wait a minute, let me zoom the camera out for you. And in the back, there is a little bit of a train. Look. The next wedding dress is the one from eBay that I didn't have time to film with, and it's come in a box as opposed to a bag, pardon me, that says on it fragile, which is interesting for a dress. So I don't know what I'm going to find. It looks very, very pretty. It smells a little bit of like maybe garlic. I don't know if it's the dress or the plastic bag. I'm not too sure, but I'm just getting little wafts of garlic, which is very interesting. So this, no, it really stinks. Oh my gosh, it smells so strongly. Okay, so this is the, oh my goodness. I was not expecting that at all. That's really quite cute. However, it's another corset. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I just struggle with these corsets so much. I have no one here to help me, and they're just so hard to do. Okay, as you can see, it is off the shoulder. It's got a little bow around the kind of rib cage section, and then it's got this beautiful puffy detailing stuff all the way down. No, not all the way down. All the way down the back. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up to show this to you. Wait a second. If I flip this dress round, it is all the way down the back of the dress. And then it's a really long dress. Oh my goodness. Look how high I'm holding this dress, and it still reaches the floor. That's way too long. Unless, oh my gosh, no, this is just the front of the dress. The front of the dress ends here. I think I'm gonna like this dress. This is the wedding dress, and okay, I have very mixed feelings about it. So this part I just do not like at all. One, it's uneven. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but this side sort of dips lower than this side. I think this side's meant to be like here, but it's sort of lost its structure. So it looks really uneven. Also, as within previous videos, I can't do the corset quite as tight as I would like, so it is slightly slipping down, just slightly, but the bottom half of this dress is so freaking cute. Look at it. I'm definitely a fan of mini dresses over midi and maxi dresses, so this looks adorable, but I still have a really beautiful little train. Even though it's a mini dress, when I get married, slash if I get married, I think I want a short dress with a long train. It looks like I'm wearing a full wedding dress, but kabam! I have my legs out. Then I'd probably have some form of detail around here, maybe sleeves, maybe something around here, but then have my legs out. This is so cute. I really, really love this style of dress. And I love that I've got a little train. Right, how do I sit down in this? On to the final wedding item. This one isn't a wedding dress, it's actually a wedding play suit, and I'm so excited to try this on. There's a strong chance I'll get married in a play suit. I just love play suits, I really do. Okay, I'm so excited for this. This looks really diddy. My dreams have been shattered. This isn't a play suit, it's a bodysuit. I am so sad. Well, I've just looked up the picture of this, and it says on there, romper jumpsuit. It does not say bodysuit or leotard, which is what I would call this. I would say this was a bodysuit. It says romper slash jumpsuit, and in the picture, she is wearing shorts. But now I'm coming to realize They are just random shorts. I am so annoyed right now because I do not have that style of short. I don't even want to try it on. I'm not gonna try it on. I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm so annoyed. Am I over exaggerating? Maybe, but I'm just so annoyed. I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And then if you're still here in the outro, let me know in the comments how angry you are about my play suit, because I am so angry. I love you guys an awful lot, and I will see you next Friday at 6 p.m. Bye.